morning, students. Happy Independence Day to all. Hope you had celebrated Independence Day and remembers the value of the time and health. I am focusing on health because I am teaching you physical and health education. And in these days, we should be cautious about our health. Nowadays, you had seen people wearing masks, riding a bicycle, and trying to improve their physical health. In coming days, we are going to have health related classes also related to your recreational games or games, sports and games. Nowadays, many of you are playing volleyball, football, badminton, riding bicycle. For a point of class 11th, I am focusing on volleyball, football, and badminton, three games, and try to know about the dimension of the court, badminton court, volleyball court, and football field. All the dimensions about pole, about the length of badminton court. Badminton court, volleyball court, football field. Try to sharp your skills related to your sports and games. These are very important for your practical exams. Whenever you will have your practical exams, you have to show your skills. You should know about a particular game in which you are interested. Later on, after this chapter, I will be giving you some of the practical classes related to your physical health education, about PT, and some of the skills of sports and games. If you have any question related to chapter 4, you can ask in group to me. I will clarify your doubts. In section B and C and D, there are many students, those who are not doing work regular. I would like to take the names of those students, those who are not taking interest in submitting their physical education work. On 14, regarding is some of that Yuvraj. In section A, Virinda Goyal, Sachin, Rahul, Yash, Mukul, Divyansh, Amar, and Akhil Rawat. And in section B, Abhinav, Abhishek, Aman, Dishant Raj, Kaustubh. They had Kaustubh, you had not submitted a single work of physical education. If you are in any problem, you can contact to your class teacher or to me. Sania, Suryans, and Suryans Manwal. There are so many students, they are submitting, but some of them they are not submitting. And in section D, Gaurav, Priyanshu, Shivangi, Shreya, and Tushar. You are not submitting your work or not submitted in previous lecture I had given you. And in C section, Vaibhav Tarun Sharma, Srishti Chauhan, Satyam Solanki Rawat, Aves Khan, Mayur. These are some of the students. If you feel any problem regarding submitting your work or any other problem, I would like to motivate you, encourage you doing physical education work, because it is very very important. Whatever is teached or taught in this class, nowadays you are knowing the situation and the value of a time, because this time will never come again, and it is very very hard to recall each and everything again and again. You can take help from your friends if you are unable to have a proper mobile or a book, or beside that, if you feel any problem, you can contact to coordinator ma'am, class teacher, or to me, or you can call me and write me. I will try to solve your problems related to your physical education work. Now I am coming to the lesson chapter 4, concept and needed of integrated physical education. Concept and need of integrated physical education. We have to understand the meaning of integrated. If we understand the meaning of integrated, we will understand the whole chapter is based on this word. The meaning of integrated is to work together, to work together, or to join things that they become one thing. To join things that they become one thing. That I would like to give you one example related to your sports and games. You are from a different backgrounds, different attitude. When you join a team, you work, you all are working for same cause, or you are working together to win the volleyball match. This is a new concept of physical education. We all know that, because the world or the time is changing so fast. We are in a changing process. You can feel the change of a time in these days also. The tradition of physical education is not capable of meeting the needs of the future society. Therefore, integrated physical education had become the need of the hour, to join and work together. Earlier, it is used to consider that students on their own would be able to integrate what they had learned in a meaning whole and see the interrelationship among various areas. Physical education is a very vast field. We take it very lightly, but physical education is very very vast field. This considered does not apply as per the need of change in society, because we are in a changing trend, changing way, and we are changing regular, day by day, hour by hour, month by month, year by year. The physical education or integrated physical education is need, and because it is changing so fast. We had came to know about the integrated physical education. The We have to understand the meaning of integrated physical education, work together. Now all this is related to integrated physical education. If we understand the meaning of integrated physical education, we will able to know about the whole chapter that is based on integrated physical education, concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Inclusion is used in a field of education, that that is why it is called inclusive education. In fact, it is an approach to educate both normal and student with disability. In inclusive education, what we are taking both normal and disabled student with disability or with special education needs together. That's why this word came to an existence, inclusive education. Inclusive education means normal and special need students learn while sharing the some physical space and interacting socially and academically. When they are playing with you, you had already seen in our school, in Horizon School, that they are given a chance to take participate in various sports in our sports day. Although principal ma'am is giving many better opportunities for them, and as a physical education teacher, I am grateful, and parents they are also grateful for being a part of this education. At that time, we had seen that they try to share something to a child nearby while participating, running, enjoying, involving emotionally and socially. This is one of the best example of sports, but in academics, they had been promoted from resource room to the various classes, and they are doing well because they are sitting with a normal student, and they had given a chance to prove themselves also. They are sharing their views, taking help from a normal student, and moving forward in that discipline. It can be stated that inclusive education, this education, differently able children are educated with normal with the same roof. It brings all the students together in one classroom or community. By giving them a proper education, letting them sitting with a normal student in a one roof, in a one class, we are giving them a chance, and they are proving themselves also. This is the meaning of inclusive education. The meaning of inclusive education. Need of inclusive education. What is the need? Need. We had seen that they are interacting socially, physically, they are participating, and academically, they are also doing well. So, what is the need? Need. The need and importance of inclusive education are, there are various importance. For self-esteem is one of the best is self-esteem. Each and every individual have self-esteem. You have your self-esteem, myself, even a child with disability have his own self-esteem. Generally, it may be seen that differently able individuals are less strong. They are less physically strong. Field indicates that inclusive in a regular school The student with disability have own improvement in self-confidence. While taking part again and again and again, they build their self-confidence. And we had seen it also. Self-confidence in them. For better social skill and communication. Ample opportunities have better social relation among students with disability without disabilities. As a matter of fact, social skills are learned properly through observation and imagination. While a teacher is drawing something in a class, he is sitting in a class and observing what a teacher is telling or drawing, or there are some visual classes also related to poems or alphabets. Imagine, he tries to imagine and build his own imagination, increase the power, observation power is also increased for better sense of belongingness. Inclusive education is essential for having a better sense of belongingness among students with special need. The values of another human being, no matter what the person look or sound like. We had seen they act differently, they sound differently. Students with special need enjoy the feeling of belongingness. They will love you, they will embrace you. Being loved, having relationship with friends. This is important. Although that is written in a book, but practically we have to see it and feel it. How and they, it is one of the beautiful uh, words that has been written, having relationship and a friend with a student without special need. They try to make a friend. Those who are good students. Higher academic achievements. Inclusive education is beneficial for the student with special need because research studies conducted in the field shows that these students have done academically well, and there are some good examples in our school also. They are doing well in different subjects, well done in exclusive education. They are doing very better than before. Implementation of inclusive education in India. The number have they have a number of problems getting education, especially inclusive education in our country. But nowadays we are taking care, and even schools and our government is giving much more opportunities to this. It is very important or implementation of inclusive education in India. The right of education to be made effective. The right of education. Teacher, especially in villages, are to be trained so they are equipped with required knowledge. It is very important. The teacher should be resourceful. Regular analysis of class. In that class curriculum, there are many things. Parents should be taken as a resource and be involved in decision making process. We have to be in touch with the parents also. There are many points, few of them I am giving you examples. You can take a help and learn many things. There are many things, but there are some of the in book, there are only few of them are giving. A school should form a support team to develop strategies for the whole school to meet the requirement of student with special need. It should be flexible. The flexible in a field should be reflect in teaching methods and material provided to the student with disabilities. Material can be in many things. Their activity material, academic material, material related with sports and games.